Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to open up the IPSY November bag. I know it's December already. We missed a week. There's lots of stuff happening behind here that looks quite different. I am working on a new vibe, if you will. Without further ado, I will open this up. I seem to have misplaced my scissors. Alrighty. We've got a product here and we have this bag. It is very Christmassy looking, very green, and it's felt or velvety. I don't think it's fancy velvet. I think it's like, you know, just run-of-the-mill Barbie doll clothes velvet. Lots of products. So we're gonna start with this one that was already out. It's the KENSIE Darling Daydream. Oh, it's an eau de parfum. Well, let's see what that smells like. You know I like to smell everything. Smell anything yet. I'm not sure. This smells actually kind of like, you know those perfumes you get when you're little, like you want to have perfume and your mom gets you like those little perfumes, you know, for kids. That's what this smells like. Nothing exciting, very floral. I like more of like a musky kind of exotic scent. And this just seems very light and airy. I mean, it's all right. Maybe I'll find someone who likes the scent and give it to them. All right, let's see what's in the bag. They are no longer listing the products on here, so it's kind of like up to me. Oh no, they're doing it again. People must have complained about it. I'll read that in a second. The BRIOGEO Don't Despair Repair Strengthening Treatment Oil. Oh, it's for hair. No harsh sulfates, no silicones, no parabens, no bad things for you. Let's see what it says in here. A little goes a long way. For best results, apply to oil to hands, rub hands together, and then distribute on dry or damp hair, focusing on mid-length to ends or other areas of damage. I'm gonna give you a quick tutorial on how to apply oil properly. I shake everything because if there's like multiple ingredients, sometimes they're just not very well mixed, so you just kind of have to shake it up. I even shake up things that are in tubes, like body lotions and stuff. It kind of smells like this, but maybe my scents are overwhelming. So when you're like emulsifying in your hand, you want your hands to be a little bit warm, and then you want to start from the bottom. You never want to start from the top because that's just going to flatten your hair. And the parts you want to apply the oil to is usually from the mid shaft to the ends because that's older hair and most likely more damaged. On top of that, the oil can be kind of heavy sometimes for some people, and if you just put it smack on top of your head, it's gonna look greasy. You'll have to wash it much faster than you would if you were to apply it on the bottom. That's basically how you apply any hair product. I've got flyaways, so I'm just going to apply it here. I have very thick, curly, dry hair, so if I put it on here, it's okay. But if you have fine hair or oily hair, you generally don't want to do what I'm doing right now. The next thing in the bag is Brow Power Universal Brow Pencil. You know, I've been needing one of these because I have a brow pencil, but it seems like it's starting to be used up a bit. So I'll try this one and see how that works in just a second. The next thing is from SONÄGE Luster Eye Cream, Lightweight Matte Contour Care, Green Tea and Chamomile, and Squalane. So green tea and chamomile are very good for under eye bags and circles, so they say. Everybody's different, and I think people react to different things differently. And just because you have bags under your eyes doesn't mean you're old. Some people just have it hereditary and it's sealed. I have plenty of eye creams. I don't think I need to get any more, so I'm not gonna open it because if I open it, it's probably gonna expire. Last but not least, SOPHIA and Mabelle Tinted Lip Oil. I don't think I need a tinted lip oil, do I? It looks kind of orangey. I'm not sure if this is going to be a good color for me. So with that said, these two things are going to go in the 500 subscriber grab bag giveaway. It's not going to be the next one. It's going to be the one after that. So don't forget to subscribe. All right, so now I want to try this brow power. Whoops, that was not English. I want to try the Brow Power. Oh, interesting. Okay, so it has like this lovely little brush. Some people might call it a spool. And this is one of those twist up pencils. So Let me grab my mirror. I didn't wear a lot of makeup today because I thought I was going to put some on, but obviously not too much. So what I'm gonna do is just demonstrate this and tell you how I feel about it. My eyebrows are starting to go gray. I don't like that. And I do color my eyebrows just because they're starting to go gray. You know, this is pretty subtle. I don't think this is like my color, because my eyebrows are pretty dark. Maybe it is my color. Maybe I'm not applying it hard. Okay, so you kind of have to pull it a bit. I don't know. This is not the most fascinating eyebrow pencil I've ever used in my life. Brow Power. Oh, it's IT Cosmetics. It's okay. Not a fan. I don't think it goes on dark enough for my eyebrows. So I would have to say that, you know, it's okay for like a lightweight look, but if you want something more dramatic, then you probably want to use something that's darker, or, you know, for B, it has to be a bit darker because my eyebrows are pretty dark. But I would still use it for like days where I want a more like natural, subdued look. Well, I actually enjoyed this box, although, let me put this away. I have to say that I'm not keeping 2 of the items, and then one of them I'm probably going to give to somebody who I know likes more of a floral scent. It was all right. I'm not hating it. And this bag, I mean, it's not my style, but you know, it's just, it's good to have these bags, because if you're trying to organize a lot of different products, these bags are great for that. And especially when you're traveling. All right, November 2021. I know it's December. Your throne awaits. How did they know that? Lather on ultra moisturizing formulas, adorn with accessories, and indulge in extra dessert, because this month it's all about you. Especially during this time of year, winter is coming and my skin is extremely dry. How about you guys? I'm feeling it more and more this year. I don't know why. Maybe it's my age. Maybe I'm not drinking enough water. I've been using a lot more moisturizer. Tell me in the comments below if you guys have been noticing more dryness lately, and if you're using more moisturizer as we are progressing through life and getting to a later stage. And let me know what your favorite product was in this bag. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can see my next video. Bye!